Find any file in seconds and save precious time. Rest easy knowing all your important data is backed up and protected from prying eyes. 7-figure online marketer. Coach. An online entrepreneur since 2008. But even after making over $3 million online in my career, I still had the same tech issues you're probably dealing with right now. Important documents chaotically spread across Google Drive, Dropbox, devices, and external hard drives. Wasting tons of time trying to find what I needed. Deleting files I wanted to keep just to avoid going over my storage limits. Spending hundreds of dollars each month on mediocre storage solutions like Dropbox, Vimeo, OneDrive, etc. Over and over, I'd be pulled away from important responsibilities and forced to spend precious time managing these tech headaches. And all that profit is lining the pockets of their executives while hard-working entrepreneurs struggle to get by. Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive and similar companies all have one main goal: to make you a paying customer for life. Auto-drafting your account every month for decades to come. Not a pretty picture. Now, of course, our need for cloud storage is only increasing, but do you really want to keep paying their Silicon Valley markup when you can get unlimited storage now at an ultra-low one-time price? Host website images and videos with lightning-fast upload speeds, for higher conversions and better user experience. Store unlimited files without ever paying for storage upgrades or spreading files around multiple accounts. Rest easy knowing all your files are fully backed up, so you'll never lose any important data. Share files instantly with one-click share links. Preview any file to quickly scan for the info you need without needing to download it. Host your website's videos and images and enjoy lightning-fast upload speeds for higher conversions. Compatible with iOS, Android, and Windows. Free your mind to focus on the big-picture drivers in your business. Many online marketers are so focused on things like traffic, offers and conversions that they miss two silent business killers that stop them from ever seeing the income they dream of. Out-of-control monthly expenses make it harder to reach profitability each month. They are one of the most common business killers for entrepreneurs at every level. DriveZpresso lets you cut expenses and operate lean so you keep more of your hard-earned cash instead of filling the pockets of big tech. They spend too much time on low-level activities, like managing and searching for files and redoing work when you can't find them. Don't let file management headaches distract you from true wealth-building activities. When your business starts seeing exponential growth, you need to have your systems already in place. Don't miss your window of opportunity because you weren't prepared with key technology systems, like cloud storage and hosting. The systems you set up now will determine your future success. The unlimited cloud storage solution that simplifies the tech headaches for online entrepreneurs at a fraction of the cost you're currently paying. You're an e-commerce store owner, affiliate marketer, consultant, course creator, or anyone who needs to store large amounts of data safely and efficiently. You regularly have new files, videos, images, and data to store, but you don't want to keep paying for storage upgrades. You want to focus your time and energy on business building activities, instead of wasting time managing your files and storage limits. As much as I'd like to free everyone from expensive big tech subscriptions, our servers do have limitations. So to ensure that all users have a best-in-class experience with no restrictions, we need to limit the number of DriveZpresso users to just 2,647, based on a detailed analysis of our server capabilities. Once we hit this number, you will no longer be able to access DriveZpresso at any price. The doors will close and you'll have no choice but to keep paying expensive monthly subscription fees that make big tech rich. I don't want that for you. So click the Get Started button below to grab your license while there are still some left. Draw attention to high-paying affiliate offers with customizable pop-ups. Increase the profits you see from each visitor to your site. Like jet fuel for growing your email list, savvy marketers know use pop-ups because they always improve performance. Integrates with all major email marketing systems. Brain dead simple, even if you're tech illiterate. Value, $24. As I told you earlier, this is now the only cloud storage solution I'm using in my 7-figure online business. And I'm never going back to Dropbox or any of the other overpriced, under-delivering storage solutions out there. I'm sure you are going to feel the same way. So sure in fact that I'm willing to let you try Drive Zpresso 100% risk-free. Get started now, move your files over, and if you don't feel like this is the last online storage solution you'll ever need to buy, then I insist on giving 100% of your money back. If you aren't instantly at peace knowing that all your files are safely stored in one central location. If your website images and videos aren't loading at lightning speed. If you are not enjoying saving on the fees. Then I insist on giving you a 100% refund. We've all been lied to. Cloud storage is not something you should be paying for month after month. Not when it costs the tech giants fractions of a penny to store your files. Not when it means complicating your business with frustrating storage limits that pop up at the worst times. And definitely not when that money could be better spent on marketing to grow your business and long-term wealth. It's time we stop making big tech rich. And redirect that money into our own pockets. That here, right now, by killing the expensive Dropbox, OneDrive, Google Drive, and Vimeo subscriptions. And joining the future of cloud storage with Drive Zpresso. Click the Get Started Now link below to claim your license. To your freedom. Moshbari. P.S. Your investment for Drive Zpresso costs less than the fee for 1 month Dropbox, and you're getting unlimited cloud storage. That means you'll spend $17 and save $439 this year and every after that, forever. P.P.S. If you wait and overthink this, the licenses will be spoken for and you'll be at the mercy of big tech for as long as you store files online. Take care of your cloud storage once and for all and never worry about it again. Go here to get started. P.P.S. Remember, your order is 100% risk-free with our 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're not happy, just let us know and we'll send you your money back. So go ahead, click the button below to lock in your spot now before the price increases again. Yes. Drive Zpresso is the only unlimited cloud storage solution that places no restrictions on your data. Upload all your files and videos and keep them here without ever paying for storage upgrades. No. Once you sign up for Drive Zpresso and pay the one-time fee, you will never pay another fee for using the platform. Consider this your storage solution, smiley face. Of course. You're protected by my love it or leave it 30-day money-back guarantee. If you aren't absolutely thrilled with the functionality and user experience, just send us a quick email and we will process your refund same day, no hassles, no questions asked. With Drive Zpresso, you are getting the same functions as Dropbox or OneDrive: file storage, link sharing, file preview, search, inviting other members, document editing, document downloading, favoriting. Everything. The only difference is that instead of paying a monthly big tech tax in the form of subscription fees, you'll pay a small one-time fee for access and unlimited storage. Absolutely. Drive Zpresso is designed to give you the fastest upload speeds for your images and videos, which is proven to increase conversions and put more profit in your pocket. It depends on file size, but our advanced upload technology works extremely fast. Remember, I built Drive Zpresso for my own needs, and I don't have the patience to wait for slow file transfers. So rest assured that it will exceed your expectations as well.